In this video, I will show you how to use ESP32 with 16-segment common anode display. Here I have created my own library to test one 16-segment display with ESP32. In this library you can test character, string with uppercase, lowercase and more than one-digit numbers. Please watch full video to make this project. This is the library I have created on. So install manually. Here you need to enter the 17 ESP32 GPIO pin numbers, which is used to connect the 16-segment display. This command is used to begin the display. This is to clear the display. This is command to test all LED one by one. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. This command to display one character. This command to display string value. It will support for uppercase and lowercase and numbers. This command to display only numbers.